Hello everyone from Elif's kitchen. Today, I want to share with you the most beautiful form of spiciness. The recipe for pepper paste, biber dovmesi, one of Hatay cuisine's most beloved breakfast flavors. Let's add 1 small onion, quartered, into the food processor. Then add 1 red bell pepper, seeded and cut into large chunks. Add a handful of fresh basil or holy basil. Basil or holy basil is essential for this recipe, we must use it. I used about 6 to 7 hot green chili peppers. I also used 3 to 4 hot red chili peppers. I removed the seeds from the red peppers. I used 3 medium-sized peeled tomatoes. I used Bursa tomatoes to prevent it from being too watery. But it still turned out a bit watery. If you remove the tomato seeds, it will turn out better. Let's add 1 teacup of walnuts. I added half a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And blend until very fine. Continue blending, stirring occasionally, until it becomes very fine. As you can see, it's now very fine. Let's transfer it to a serving plate. Drizzle generously with olive oil. I added about 1 cup of olive oil. This recipe is both very easy to make and incredibly delicious. I'm sure you'll love it when you try it. You can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days if you like. Bon appétit to those who will try it. You can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching.